Yeah, this guy's got a concussion, man. He's going to have to come off. Is that Statch, guys? Yeah, it's when he fell over. Stack's got a bit of concussion here. Who's going to come on the pitch? It's going to be Tanaka. Man like Tanaka is coming on. Yeah, I do rate him, but I don't know why they've not really, they don't really play him as much. Because of the Premier League, innit? The Premier League's physical, innit? That's the problem. So sometimes you might not see the best of his qualities. You feel me? At least don't play that expansive sort of football. So it's like they might not see the best of his qualities, innit? This guy might suit like a team like Brighton or something like that, where they play football. Dan James is coming on, former United player. Tanaka's coming off. Oh wow. Oh wow, Tanaka's coming off. He's brought off Tanaka. That's dark. That is dark. I don't think he's been that bad. Has he even been that bad? He's took him off. Why has he took him off though? This guy is crazy, man. This manager's actually dumb. He was actually adding a bit of speed into the game, bro. That's dumb, man. That's proper dumb, I can't lie to you.